Hey guys, welcome to another video. This video we are going to be upgrading the RAM on my 21.5-inch iMac. This is the mid 2011. So yeah, I'm going to lay the iMac on, I'm going to lay it face down, and I'll grab my RAM and you know, we'll do our thing here and upgrade the RAM. Okay, so I got the iMac facing down on its facing, and gotta grab my RAM. Okay, here's the RAM. Sorry for the bad, you know, viewing angle, but it's about as much as I can get. This is from OWC, of course, and it is 8 gigs, and since the iMac has 4 slots of RAM slots, it will have a total of 12 because I will be reusing those 2 slots. So as soon as I can get the RAM out, there we go, got it. Pop it out.
Okay, so I'm gonna carefully unscrew these. Holy fuck. It's really dusty in there. Anyway, so you got your 2 tabs and you have to put some pressure on it. Okay, so I'm going in the right way. So they have to be on that. They have to look like that in order to fit in the right way. And before I put any pressure, I want to get the other one in before anything else gets pushed in. Okay, so I managed to get it in finally, and you just put the tabs back. And then you grab your little grill. I'm dusting it real quick because it's pretty bad. Anyway, so you grab your grill and simply screw it back into place.
Okay, so that is the RAM installed, so I will get the computer up and running, and I'll see you guys then. So as you guys can see, the reflective glass, of course, but so the iMac is, anyway, so the iMac is done being upgraded, and let's boot her up and see if the RAM was successful. Okay, we are in the Mac, and it should say 12 gigs, and it does. Sweet, so I'll show you guys. So, as you guys can see, we have 12 gigs of RAM, and I'll go to the memory tab. As you can see, 2244, which is in a total of 8 gigs of RAM. See how fast it takes to open an application. That is much faster than previously. This machine came with 4 gigs of RAM. Now it has 12, and it now has a very speedy, it's very fast compared to before. I can open Google Chrome. Takes a lot less time. I can open system preferences instantly. It goes for the same for any application. If I do Final Cut Pro, it will take probably a lot less time, but since this machine doesn't have an SSD, it's, you know, it's gonna perform a little bit less, but still, I'm just happy that my iMac is now finally fully upgraded instead of it being slow and at 4 gigs. Now the last thing I have to do is I will show you what the last thing I have to do is get rid of that storage. Because as you can see, we have 500 gigs, which is the original hard drive, and it is not an SSD. I have been looking at SSDs, and they're not too expensive. It's just installing it is what scares me. That's the thing that scares me. So yeah, without further ado guys, that is the upgrade for my iMac. Finally has RAM That is more than 4 gigs now. So I will see you guys in the next one.